Assalamualaikum Pakistan Weekly Knowledge. We are going to discuss about current governors of Pakistan. Following types of current affair Pakistan MCQs are available here. Current governor of Punjab, current governor of Balochistan, current governor of Gilgit Baltistan, current governor of Sindh, governor of Punjab Pakistan, current governor of Punjab Pakistan. Who is the current governor of Balochistan? Muhammad Khan Achakzai, Oais Ahmad Ghani, Justice retired Amanullah Khan Yasinzai, Sayyid Zahoor Ahmad Agha. Correct answer है Sayyid Zahoor Ahmad Agha. Who is the present governor of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa KPK? Justice retired Amanullah Khan Yasinzai, Shah Farman, Shokatullah Khan, Iqbal Zafar Jhagra. Correct answer है शाह फरमान. Who is the present governor of Gilgit Baltistan? Qamar Zaman Kaira, Mir Ghazanfar Ali Khan, Chaudhry Muhammad Barjis Tahir, Raja Jalal Hussain Makpoon. Correct answer है राजा जलाल हुसैन मकपून. Who is the current governor of Punjab? Justice retired Amanullah Khan Yasinzai, Chaudhry Sarwar, Shah Farman, Malik Rafiq Rajwana. Correct answer है चौधरी सरवर. Like our YouTube channel and FB page Pakistan Weekly Knowledge. Who is the governor of Balochistan? Muhammad Khan Achakzai, Oais Ahmad Ghani, Justice retired Amanullah Khan Yasinzai, Nawab Zulfikar Ali Magsi. Correct answer is Justice retired Amanullah Khan Yasinzai. Who is the current governor of Sindh? Iqbal Zafar Jhagra, Shah Farman, Justice retired Amanullah Khan Yasinzai, Imran Ismail. Correct answer is Imran Ismail.